We all want our home to be as energy efficient as possible. Keeping tight seals around windows and doors is an easy way to help reduce your energy bills. Let us show you how to use an air-powered caulk gun to quickly and easily caulk around windows, doors, bathtubs, and more. First, you may wonder how an air-powered caulk gun works. You can use standard caulk tubes in the CH caulk gun. It allows caulk to be applied in one continuous even line, or bead. When you release the trigger, the caulk immediately stops flowing, so there's no messy extra caulk. Now let's get started. Here are tools and supplies you will need. Air compressor, air hose and fittings, air-powered caulk gun, standard 11-ounce caulk tube, razor knife to cut caulk tube tip, long pin or nail to puncture caulk tube seal, rags, ladder if needed. Be sure to refer to your owner's manual for detailed instructions. Read warnings and drying instructions on caulk tube. Always wear safety glasses. Step 1. Make sure your surface area is clean and dry. Remove any old caulk. Step 2. Prepare caulk tube. Read directions on the tube before cutting the tip and breaking the seal. Cut tip with razor knife at 45-degree angle. Note, if you want a narrow bead, cut at tip. If you want a wider bead, cut further back from the tip. Use a long pin or nail to break the seal. Step 3. Insert caulk tube into caulk gun. Step 4. Attach air hose to air compressor and caulk gun. Plug unit in. Turn air compressor on and set pressure at 10 psi. Step 5. Test a caulk bead by pulling trigger and running a bead on a piece of cardboard. Adjust the air pressure, size of tube end, and speed as needed. Do not exceed 20 psi. Here are some helpful hints. Start at a corner or joint on the work surface. Place a long, continuous, uniform bead. Avoid a series of short beads because they tend to seal improperly. Hold caulk gun at a position that forces the material into the joints and crevices. Smooth out the caulk bead with a caulk remover tool or with your finger after the caulk is laid down. Do not use a cartridge of dried material. Make sure to let caulk dry properly. Now you can use your caulk gun to create a more energy-efficient home. Simply keep your caulk gun clean and dry so it's ready for the next project. For more information on air-powered projects, visit us at chpower.com.